The arbiter. Ийгилик, Грузия. И боковой судья. Signed referee. Армения. На центральном ковре финалисты весовой категории до 74 килограммов боевое самбо. Please welcome the finalists. In red, representing Russia, Байзет Хатхокуну. In blue, representing Kyrgyzstan, Бекназар Раимкул.
And the fight starts in blue is the fighter from Kyrgyzstan, and his opponent from Russia in red.
Спортсмен в красной форме Байзет Хатхокуну представляет сборную команду России.
Inside low kick very quickly for the Russian, and a low kick for the fighter from Kyrgyzstan very quickly. Whoa, this was a beautiful technique, a four-pointer, and now the Russian has his back. No, he doesn't have his back from that position. It seems that the Russian succeeded to sleep, and it's still the hold for was the hold for the fighter from Kyrgyzstan. Anyway, a very nice throw. And we restart. Right now, the Kyrgyz fighter is leading by 4 points after the beautiful technique. Looking again for that low kick, very low kick. This is one of the most painful low kicks that you can receive. Whoa! And this is beautiful. This was just beautiful. A very nice reversal in midair for the Russian. Outside low kick for the Russian, who is now moving around. Let's see, he has the leg, but he doesn't have the position. Nightrock is looking for the position, and so now still he still has the position. Good defense for the Kyrgyz. This is a knee bar, almost a knee bar, but it's not as deep right now. He tries to secure the position even further. Now, and nothing happened from that position. It was anyway a very nice attempt. It started with an ankle lock, and then he moves towards a knee bar. Stood up, still 4-4. Nice punch, and again looking for a spectacular technique, and it works. And it works for Raiмкул. Only 2 points, and then he was looking to secure a possible pin. are waiting for the referees to decide, and they did it very quickly. And now the fight can restart. And let's see what the referee says. Now 1 point for Raiмкул. It was 1 point deduction against Raiмкul, and no, sorry, it was just 1 point scored for the for his throw. I thought it was a deduction, but it wasn't. And another throw, another good one, and now he has his points back, and even 1 more point. Raiмкul is a very technical fighter. The Kyrgyz coaches and is sent away. He was talking too much. He was screaming at the referees. Maybe he wanted a higher score, and now he can no longer help his fighter. Nice attack. Nothing scored so far, and the Russian is looking for the arm lock from that position. No problems for Raiмкul to defend and to control this fight. And another reversal. Another reversal, and now he's looking for the pin. Good defense, and Raiмкul switches to an arm lock. He has the arm. I don't think he will be able to finish the arm lock, but he won 10 or 15 seconds. Another throw, but this time was a very nice counter for the Russian. They are on the ground, an acrobatic pass for the Russian, and he has the arm. No, he lost the arm. It was a very nice setup for an arm lock, but he lost the arm with 10 seconds before the end of this fight. It was a very technical bout with very few punches and kicks, but with a lot of interesting groundwork. The last seconds of the fight, and Raiмкул is the winner. Great victory for Kyrgyzstan. Great victory for the fighter from Kyrgyzstan, and he gets a little bit emotion. The gold goes to Kyrgyzstan after a very nice fight. He fought well. He succeeded to throw his opponent almost at will, and there were a lot of points scored in this final. We prepare for our next three Three award ceremonies with women under 60 kilograms, men under 68, and combat Sambo under 74 kilograms. After these award ceremonies, we return with the last block of